Here in this video we will start solving exercise question of 6.1. Okay, and in the previous videos we have studied about the basic terms related to lines and angles, and what are vertically opposite angles, and what are linear pair of angles, and some axioms and theorems related to those properties. Okay, so here we will solve question number 2 of 6.1. Listen what the question is. In figure 6.14, line XY and MN intersect at O. Line XY and MN intersect at point O. If angle POY is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and ratio of two angles, this is angle A and this is angle B, and ratio of their measures is 2:3. A is to B is 2:3. Then we have to find angle C. We have to find the measure of angle C. Okay. So before solving this question, we should know, we must keep in mind that if we are going to solve a question of geometry, okay, then whatever is given in the question, we must write it as given points, and what we are asked to find and what we are asked to prove, that we have to write as to find or to prove. Means writing given and to prove is very must. Okay, and after writing these two things, we can start solving the question. Okay, so here see what is given. See, XY and MN are intersecting at O. It is very clear that XY and MN are straight lines, so no need to mention that over there. Okay, see, angle POY is 90 degree. We have written POY is 90 degree, and ratio of measures of A and B, A is to B, is 2:3. Means actual measure of angle A and angle B is not given. Okay, actual measures is not given, and this angle we have to find. Means measure of angle C we have to find. So first of all, see, angle XOY is a straight line. Okay, I have mentioned O also between X and Y, because O is point line between the endpoints of XY. Okay, so XOY is a straight line, and angle POY and angle plus angle POX will be 180 degrees. Why? Because POY and POX are two adjacent angles. Means this angle and this angle are two adjacent angles, and they are lying on the straight line, so their sum will be 180 degree. This property is what? Linear pair of angles. Okay, and we know that angle POY is 90 degree. So if we transpose this 90 to RHS, it will become 180 minus 90. Okay, so value of angle POX will get equals to 90 degree. Okay, and this POX is what? This POX is sum of angle A and angle B. Okay, so sum of angle A, actual measure of angle A and angle B. Okay, actual measure of angle A and angle B is what? 90 degree. Okay, but we are given with what? Ratios. Okay, ratios means actual value of A and actual value of B is not given. Their ratio is given. Means A upon B is 2:3. So to get the actual value of A and B, we must multiply both the angles with some fixed number. Okay, and that fixed number we don't know, so we'll assume it as X. Okay, so value of A is what? 2x. We will assume value of A is 2x and value of B is 3x. Okay, AX and 3x. Total parts here for A and B is what? Here 2 parts for angle A and 3 parts for angle B. So total parts is 5. Okay, so sum of two angles A and B is 90 degree. So if A is 2x and B is 3x, so 2x plus 3x is what? 90 degree. 5x equals to 90. Okay, so value of x here will get 18 degrees. Okay, value of x is 18 degree. After getting the value of x, we can find A and B, measures of A and B. So see, in order to find angle C, okay, in order to find angle C, only one angle we must find, either A or either B, or okay, either A or B, sorry. Why? Because if we find angle A, then this C means XON is equals to YOM, vertically opposite angle. So this is, if this is 90 and this is A, its measure is known to us. So these sum of these two angles will be equal to angle C. And if we find angle B, measure of angle B, then angle B plus angle C is what? They are linear pair of angles, no? So after getting the value of B, we can find value of C, measure of angle C. Okay, so better we must find it using vertically opposite angles. See, A is 2x, so 2 into 18 is 36 degrees. Measure of angle A is 36 degrees, and here what I explained before this is MOY. Okay, angle MOY and angle NOX are vertically opposite angles. Means this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, and angle MOY is sum of POY and angle A. Okay, so this is A plus 90, MOY is A plus 90, and NOX is what? This is angle C. So A, measure of A was 36 and measure of POY is 90, which is given in the question. So 36 plus 90 is angle C. So angle C is 126 degrees. Okay, by using linear pair of angles, we can find this. See, B is what? 3x, no? B is 3x. So putting x equals to 18, we can find the value of B. After finding the value of B, B plus C is 180 degrees. Then if B is known, okay, so 180 minus B will be the value of C. Okay, thank you.